Rocla is a pioneer in the manufacturing of concrete poles in South Africa. The use of precast concrete poles has seen a massive growth across a variety of industries due to concrete poles' minimal maintenance requirements, superior fire rating compared to steel and timber poles, resistance to insect attack, and being less susceptible to vandalism. A concrete pole therefore offers a long-term cost-effective solution. Rocla poles fall into two broad categories: cast and spun poles. Cast poles are manufactured in lengths up to 13 meters and ratings up to 10 kilonewtons or higher if required. Spun poles are manufactured in single lengths up to 24 meters, jointed lengths up to 40 meters and ratings up to 106 kilonewtons or higher if required. Double spun poles are also manufactured for applications where single spun poles will not suffice. The positions of the cast-in tubes and ferrules for spun poles is as specified by the client for the project requirements. Rocla poles are manufactured with an earthing system which provides a continuous electrical path through the pole to allow the pole to be effectively earthed. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research was commissioned by Rocla to independently test the earthing system. A current of 63 kiloamps was discharged through the pole, with no damage to the pole. Rocla design engineers are available to advise on the most cost-effective way of customizing Rocla poles to suit corrosive environments such as marine environments or aggressive soil conditions. Design modifications for these circumstances may include additional cover for the reinforcing, protective coatings, or a concrete mix incorporating extenders such as pulverized fly ash, slagment, or condensed silica fume. All Rocla poles conform to SABS 470, concrete poles for telephone, power and lighting purposes. Rocla has an in-house quality assurance team that will ensure that the requirements of the standard are complied with. Poles for lighting are available in a wide range of heights, load capabilities, and fitting requirements for various lighting applications, such as street lighting and sports stadium lighting. The elegant appearance of the poles with its smooth finish and continuous taper make it very attractive for street lighting. The implementation of CCTV camera installation is common in all facets of our modern-day living. The hollow spun pole allows for a durable structure on which to mount the cameras. The hollow core of the pole allows the cables to run down the inside of the pole, ensuring complete protection for the system. Reticulation systems for electricity typically refer to the supply of 11 kV and 22 kV power. The long-term durability of concrete poles make them the ideal solution for township and farming reticulation across the country. One particular advantage of concrete poles for this purpose is its resistance to failed fires, offering a long-term cost-effective solution compared to wooden poles. Rocla spun poles can be manufactured with the ferrules, tubes, and the strength to the client's specification. This leads to an assembled pole with a neat and pleasing appearance. Rocla, together with Eskom, developed concrete poles for use in electrical power transmission and distribution. These poles are Eskom approved and have been tested at Eskom Rocheville testing station and include single and double poles for use as suspension, strain, and terminal structures. Some advantages of concrete poles for this purpose is the smaller servitude area required, less expensive footings, and quicker installation for concrete poles compared with alternative systems. Rocla concrete poles are used for a variety of telecom applications, such as cellular masts and fiber poles, which have seen rapid growth of late. Rocla manufactures electrification masts for Transnet and PRASA. These masts are used for OHTE, overhead truck equipment, and come in lengths of 11 meters, 12 meters, and 13 meters, rated at 64 kilonewtons meter or 84 kilonewtons meter. We at Rocla can produce poles to meet any other non-standard customer requirement. Rocla has an in-house technical team to assist in this regard. Rocla's pole factory is situated in Rudaport, Gauteng. Assistance can be sought from our company's head office. We deliver nationally and internationally. with specific trucks and transporters who know how to handle concrete poles. From lighting to telecoms and everything in between, Rocla's precast and spun concrete poles are the ideal cost-effective, environmentally friendly and long-term solution to any project making significant use of poles.